Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a couple of different things that you should try if your Roku TV is failing to connect or not connected to the internet when you power it up. And this actually happens quite often for me when I power up my Roku TV and I try to open up an app. It says failed to connect, and you can see in the upper right hand corner it says not connected. So the first thing that you want to do is go down to where it says settings and then go over to network and then go over to set up connection. And this is going to be a wireless connection here, so just clicking on wireless, and then it's going to do a wireless scan looking for the wireless networks that are in your general vicinity, and go ahead and click on your wireless Wi-Fi router. For me, that's going to be the Xfi22, and then it's going to have you enter in the network password for that particular router, and if you've already done this in the past, the password should already be typed in right there. So then you just go ahead and click connect. Now, this should fix most issues that you might run into, especially when you're first initially launching your Roku TV. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of time for your Roku TV to connect and start communicating with your wireless connection. Now, as you can see, this didn't work for me. It's still unable to connect to the wireless network. So if this is the case for you, what you want to do is go to step number 2 here. So that's going to be going back to the Roku TV homepage, and then again going back down to settings, and then we're going to go over and down to where it says system, and then over and down to where it says power, and then in the power options we're going to go over and down and do a system restart. So clicking OK on that and then clicking OK on restart. And after the system restart, again what we're going to do is go back down to settings and then network. And now it's actually working where it says that it is connected to my wireless router, which it was not before I went into that system restart. So this is also something that can potentially help you out. So just to check the connection, it shows a green check mark there on the wireless connection, as well as a green check mark on the internet connection. Connection check was successful, so that is a good sign. So those are the two things that I recommend doing if you're having issues where you launch your Roku TV and it's failing to connect or not connected to the internet. And more often than not, following these two steps, it should fix whatever issues that you're having with your internet connection on your Roku TV. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.